Hey, it's Jeff again for another product of the week. This week we are showing you our new clamps. They are very different from the traditional clamps that you use now, but you're going to see why you're going to start using these. They're so easy to use. Here's your conduit clamp, and there's your conduit, right? So we're just going to go over the top of this, okay? There's 2 clicks to these, okay? One is in, and then 2, just press down. And there you have it. So you're going to ask, how do you get that clamp out? There are 2 parts right here that you would just squeeze in, okay? And it'll remove that clamp, okay? So with our clamps, we go from a 1/2-inch clamp to a 2-inch clamp. And we've got everything in between the 1/2-inch and a 2-inch clamp. There's another product from Dakota Systems by MagDaddy.